That's right, you see a Barry M box of it all. That is right. That is right. This is a mystery box from the website. I went on the Australian version of Barry M's website and looked around what made sense to get because I like the brand Barry M for nail polish. And I'm ready to redo my nails. Oh, yes, I am. Ready to do a new set of nails on my natural nails. And I went on there and saw they had a $10 Australian dollars of a mystery of 5 polishes. Yes, and I was like, yes, I have to get one. Granted, it was like about 12-ish for the shipping, around that price that I recall. So I had to deal with that as well. So I did that, of course. But I got 5 polishes. I have no idea what they are because on the listing it says they're just like slightly damaged or like on the packaging, but they're fully fine inside. It's just the packaging's damaged and such. So what we got to do here is I'm going to just open them from the sides and we're going to find out what is in my mystery little thing of nail polish. I thought this was really cool because sometimes I don't know what I want to get and it's nice to try things I might not have bought myself if I didn't have a mystery to me. So why not get one of these as they happen to have an option. So let's get into this bad boy box of it all for sure. Okay. This is looking good. We got some tissue paper in here. And here we go. 5 polishes here. Oh yes. Oh yes. There is one with a really cool top lid. Okay, they look like they're similar-ish colors. One's a quick dry. There's a jelly, a matte, one of their just regular Barry M, and a jelly. And this is the color schemes of what came. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing sparkly here that looks like. Some nice colors for the most part, I would say. Let's see if I can get into this bad boy of it all, and let's check these out. Okay, I'll get. Here is this one right here. Almond, is that what they're calling it? Let's see. They don't know if there's a name for this. Almond, maybe? I don't see a name. So there's that one. So there's that, the first one. And then another one. This Crush. Okay, that's the color it's saying. That one, not too shabby. The next one, which is a purpley color. Light purple. They're calling it Vintage Violet. I think I agree with that. Isn't that a vintagey color? Yeah, that actually is kind of vintagey. Yeah, you can see this one's fully off, so I need to do my nails. And they're starting to crack and stuff a little bit. And then this one, which is minty, call it Road Rage. Okay, not sure why this is called Road Rage. If you understand what the name of that was for, then maybe so. And then the other one, this one's really dark purple, Black Currant. I think this is their newer bottles potentially because there's no sticker on there. And this sticker actually has the name on it. The other ones do not. That sticker's missing the name. It just has like something with a number like that one does, but without the name on it. So I think they've redone them. I'm pretty sure this is a newer one, and these are slightly older, I would imagine. So this is what it's looking like. This one comes with a Speedy, so it's like, I guess that's why they're, okay, I guess the name for this is Road Rage. It's called that because of its speediness. But then I don't even understand why this color would be a Road Rage color. Unless they're going off the old school car color, you know, like those very light blue, minty, vintage cars, then maybe that's why it's called Road Rage, because the cars back then used to be very commonly that color. At least I associate it with that, kind of like the time when you think of this, you know. So I don't know what to do here because I got 5 colors here. So what we could do is I could do one on each of my nails, one on my thumb, and on all my fingers, because there is 5 here. That's enough for one whole hand and all that. So we might do that with these and kind of get an idea. I could do a half and half on all my nails and do some of the other colors on my other hand. But we will first just do all these colors. So I had no idea this is what was going to be coming in the mail for me to have. So this is not too bad. This is nice neutral colors to do. They all kind of go together for the most part. Especially these three. And this is a very light. This one's the oddball out of them all, I would say. So, like they did say, you don't know what you're getting, but you do know that every single one of each one is different. There's going to be no repeats. So there was that. No repeats. I definitely did not get a repeat at all. I do wonder if they do theme them a little bit because this is very themed in my opinion with the colors palette. So I'm guessing this is my color palette for my nails today. So let's get to that. And then I'll probably do some kind of slight nail design on top after I put the colors on. But let's first put these colors. So I'm guessing we do have one that's this. This one probably be the thumb. And then these will be my main 4 fingers. Because to me that just makes sense because of the colors situation. So I'm guessing it's going to be this color, this color, this color to this color. Because that's just how it happened to be down here. Okay, so we'll do that right now and put these colors on each of my nails and really see them come to life. First color of my Skittle mani here, the dark, very purpley red, to then this lighter of a purple color, and then the blue, which I thought would be good as an accent, and then this even more red kind of scarlet color, and then this very pastel-y, almost skin tone-y purple on the thumb. Looking good. So there they are all with one coat. And as you can see, the blue one is definitely very liney. Those kind of light colors like that can be just like the thumb kind of is as well because it's a similar kind of consistency. So of course, I'm putting the 2 coats on all of them. And now I decided to put this topper. So I'm putting this flaky topper from Holo Taco that is a rose gold. Looking nice. And let's say that on the next color. And now on the blue. Ooh, that looks nice. And this one, for some reason, which is a matte color, but becomes unmatte because of what I'm putting on top. So, kind of underintuitive. And, of course, my thumb with it. Shorter of the shorter stins. And then, of course, hold that all in with a nice glossy top coat. That topper to the polish. Looking all nice. Oh, yes. Bringing back the stubby one. And there you go with all the colors. As you saw, I did put a rose flaky topper. And this is the hollow flaky topper on this nail. You can't see it too well, but let me use my phone flash for you to show you it more so if that can show it nicely for you. The rose gold topper of Holo Taco. And let me see if I can get this for you. See? That is the hollow flaky topper. You can really see it on the 2 dark ones like this one here and this one. You can't see it fully on the blue nail because these kind of like ones that are do with that. So yeah, I just did a simple, all I did was add a topper on each and I decided to do different toppers. So yeah, here's the hollow topper that I did on my right hand off camera. Yep, that's the one I did, that one. So yeah, there are the 2 toppers that I decided to add with these Berry M polishes. See all that awesome sparkle. I just thought I'd do some sparkle on these. So yeah, those are the 2 that I added because I wanted to give it something. I was going to give it one of my tiny little gems, like these ones here. Maybe not that color, but like you see those tiny little ones? Yeah, I was going to do some tiny ones like you could, of those, the really little ones that come in purple, red, all that kind of stuff. But I thought, now I'll just do this for a change and just do that. So that's what came of it. And of course, I did take the 5 and did them in a different nails and different pattern on the other hand to just make it a little different as I was being simple for today. So that mystery of it all, if you enjoyed that mystery, I got plenty more mysteries where that came from. Oh yes, and I may have some more mystery nail polishes down the line. You never know. Oh yeah. I'm just going to admire my nails for at least a week. So yeah, simple but sparkly me.